In this video I'm going to look at household bills. Household bills, I suppose, it can include things like how much it's going to cost you to drive in a particular to and from work every week, how much electricity bill is going to cost you, your phone bill, things like that, okay? So these are the type of questions you're going to get. I suppose in relation to the electricity bills, just to note here, it says number of units used equals present reading minus previous reading. So what that means is a lot of houses have a meter, okay, that shows the electricity bill, shows the amount of electricity they used. So the meter just keeps clocking up the readings. So let's say the meter this week showed 1,900 and the meter next week then showed 1,984. Well, then that would show that if I minus one from the other, it's 84. So in that week I used 84 units. Okay, so that's what that's what this means. Okay, the number of units used equals present reading minus previous reading. Right, we look at this question. Tom's electricity meters was read on the 1st of March and the reading was 1742, so 1742. 92 days later, the reading was 1956. The charges were as follows. There was a stand-in charge. A stand-in charge means that's how much you're charged regardless of how much you use. Okay, so if you used no electricity, you'd still be charged 28 cents per day. And then there's 84 cents per unit of electricity used. You calculate Tom's bill for the 92 days. Okay, well, first of all we need to know how much electricity he used. And notice here, number of units used is the present reading minus the previous reading. Well, the present reading is 1956. The previous reading is 1742. So 1956 minus 1742 equals 214. So he used 214 units. Okay. Now let's get our stand-in charge first. So the stand-in charge is 28 cents per day. So we'll multiply that by 92 days. We'll see how much, and this will be in cents. So 28 cents multiplied by 92 days equals 2,576 cents. If we divide that by 100, it will be 25 euros 76. So there's our stand-in charge. So we have to pay that anyway for the 92 days. And then we will get his amount of electricity used. So he used this much. So 214 units, and it's charged at 84 cents. So multiply by 84. So 214 multiplied by 84 equals 17,976. Okay, now, but that's cent. Okay, and if you were tempted to think it was euros, just have a think. Imagine if your parents got a bill of 17,976 cents for 3 months of electricity. They wouldn't be best pleased. So use your common sense there. If you think that might be euros, it's not. Okay, because I mean it doesn't make sense to have a bill that big. So that's cents. To change it into euros, divide by 100, and we get 179 euros 76 cents. So that's how much we have to pay for the electricity. We also have our stand-in charge, so we're going to add the two of them together. We get that plus, and we get 205 euros 52 cents. So there's our answer. Okay. Again, I'll just go through one more question. Type of questions come up for this. This one is Alan's wage that he brings on over a week. So Alan earns €12.80 per hour for working a basic 38-hour week. He's paid overtime at time and a half. So what that means is if he works 39 hours, then he gets paid 38 at the normal wage, and he gets that extra hour, he gets paid time and a half. What time and a half means is he gets the wage, which is €12.80, plus a half of that. Alright? The table shows the hours Alan worked last week. So Monday 10 hours, Tuesday 8, Wednesday 7, Thursday 9, Friday 12, Saturday and Sunday he was off. How many hours overtime did he work? Well, first of all, let's calculate how much he worked altogether. So altogether he got 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12. That's 46 hours. Remember, 38 of that is a normal week, so 46 minus 38 equals 8. So 8 hours overtime. Okay. Right, calculate his total pay. Right. Well, his total pay is 46 hours, yeah? 38 of that is paid at €12.80. So 38 of it paid at €12.80. He also has overtime. He has 8 hours overtime. That's time and a half. Now, let's calculate the time and a half over here. So he has his time, normal time, which is 12.80, plus half that. So 12.8 divided by 2, and we get 640. So 12.80 plus 640 equals 19.20. So that's what his overtime is, 19.20. 19.20. So he gets that much per hour overtime. So 19.20. Okay. So we calculate both of these. We have 12.80 multiplied by 38, which gives me €486.40. So that's his normal time. Yeah, that's what he gets for his 38 hours. And then we have 8 multiplied by 19.20. And he gets €153.60 for that. So we've calculated his basic wage and his overtime, and his total pay for the week will be both added together, which is 486.40 plus 153.60, and that gives us €640 total. So what he made that week is €640. Okay, last question. If Alan earned €582.40 in a week, how many hours overtime would he have worked? Okay, well, first of all, we need to look at, we divide his wage up. So there's what he earned total. And that's going to be made up of his basic wage and his overtime. Right, let's split it into his basic wage and overtime. We found already up here that his basic wage for working the 39-hour week is €486.40. And that's not going to change. Now let's see how much overtime he's made. So we minus one from the other. Minus 486. So 582.40 minus 486.40. And overtime is €96. And our question is, how many hours overtime would he have had to have worked to get this? Okay, or I suppose a better way of putting it is, how many hours overtime would he have worked to get this? Okay, because this is what his overtime is. Well, let's think. He has €96 overtime. He's paid 19.20. So if I divide 19.20 into 96, I'll find out how many hours he's worked. So 19.20 into that, and I get 5. So he's earned 5 hours overtime. That's the type of question you're going to get. These type of questions can be asked in a variety of different ways, but that's the kind of thing you'll have to do. Okay, thanks.